In this video, we'll be talking about how can we round numbers to the nearest hundreds and thousands. All right. So the first thing is the number is 327. Circle the number in the place of hundreds. If you are looking to round the number to the nearest hundred, you will look at the number which is at the place of hundreds. Hundreds, tens, units. Okay. Round this number to the nearest hundred. Look right next door, which whatever number is next to it, you will look over there. Draw an arrow to the number to the right of the number. Whatever number is next to the number on the place of hundred, you'll put an arrow next to it. Round this number to the nearest hundred, 4 or less. Just ignore. Since 2 is less than 4, we do not change the 3. All right. If 2 would have been greater than 5, so we would have changed it towards a greater number. Okay. Round this number to the nearest hundred, 4 or less, just ignore. If the number is lesser than 4, we do not change it. Okay. We change the number to the right as zeros because it will not increase because 2 is less than 4. If it would if less than 5, it would have been greater than 5, then we would have made it 4. Okay. 327 rounded to nearest 100 is 300. We look at a few more examples. When do we use rounding? Basically, when the question asks you to round, when the question asks you to estimate, when the question asks about how many, to find about what your answer should be. Okay, there's this poem, find your number, look right next door, whatever number is next to it, 4 or less, just ignore, 5 or more, add one more. Okay, if the number is 4 or less, we need to ignore. Like here, the number was lesser than 4. So we ignored it and we reduced the number to 300. If it would have been 5 over here or 6, then the number would have increased. Okay. Let's look at another example. Round this number to the nearest thousand. Find your number. Circle the number in the place of thousands, units, tens, hundreds, thousands. Round this number to the nearest thousand. You need to look right next door. You need to draw an arrow to the right next number. 4 or less, just ignore. Since 3 is less than 4, we do not change the 5. All right. If it would have been greater than 4, then greater than 5, then you would have increased it. Round this number to the nearest thousand, 4 or less, just ignore. So numbers left to the 5 will become 0. If 3 would have been greater, then we would have changed it to an increased number. The rounded answer is 35,000. Thanks for watching.